I've been sick so many times, but this corona got me weak. What's poppin', everybody? What you mean you don't know DOPEaxxPANA? She's dope. Haha, we here, baby. Another tutorial. DOPEaxxPANA, subscribe. Hey, what's poppin', YouTube? You already know who it is. I'm back with another banger, and we about to take this head full of thick, gorgeous hair, and we're gonna do some things to it. We're gonna make some box braids. Box braids. Alright, I got numerous tutorials on this channel, so I'm going to keep it very brief and fleeting because we already know what we're doing right now. We taking these quadrants and we putting the hair into it. It's going to be box quadrants because we doing box braids. That's what we do over here on DOPEaxxPANA page. We box them up. We box them up and ship them out. As you can see, my client got that 4B hair. B stands for bushy, because this hair is thick and bushy. We got some things to get through and some things to maneuver around. So stay with me while I do this tutorial because it's going to be a while. It's going to be like 15 minutes. Right now, I'm speeding this process up. I'm doing a little taps on the back of the hair right here to get the braids down in the pattern that they need to be in. I'm taking some of the ashy cream and I'm putting it in there to lubricate the sections so we can make sure these are some nice clean braids that we're doing right now. If you have any questions about how I'm actually braiding this hair so fast, check it out. I got numerous tutorials on this channel about how I do my box braids with rubber bands and without rubber bands. As you can see, we moving right along through this tutorial. Check out these clean sections, man. It look like I'm building a house with these bricks right here we got right now. Check this out. This hair is thick. I'm trying to tell you. My fingers are going through it right now. Hey, I'm liking this new look right here. This looks like some, man, this could be something special. We might as well just end the tutorial right here. All right, guys, thank you for tuning into the channel. Alright, I had to switch up the angle for you one time so you can see how I'm taking this hair and I'm feeding it into the hair that's already attached to her scalp. That's her hair, that's her original hair. So right now, that's why these are called feed-in braids. For the quadruple lift time that I'm telling you this, you're feeding the hair into the already pre-existing hair. It's feed-in braids. The name is it's in the name of the style. Now, when I tell you this hair was thick, I'm talking about milkshake left in the freezer for a week thick. Man, I'm going through it. My fingers feel like they about to catch on fire right now. Jesus. Alright, we doing this type 4B thick hair tribal ombre style braid technique right here, and we are almost done. Look how clean these sections are. Look how everything is in order and aligned. Hey, you come to this channel, we're going to teach you the best techniques possible. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you leave a comment and let Pana know that these sections are sectioned. I mean, Jesus, look at this. Oh my goodness, how she do that? So basically right now, all I'm doing is making sure my sections are sectioned properly and making sure that the style on this side of her head matches the style on the other side of the head, so the style can look even and thorough throughout, because we don't want no crooked angles when it comes to these tribal braids. These are a map to the human soul, and if anything is off, next thing you know, you might make a wrong turn and end up somewhere you don't want to be, sis. Man, they talking about something right now. I'm trying to figure out what they talking about, because she just over here chatting it up. I'm trying to read these lips, but it's moving too fast. Hey, make sure y'all leave some comments in the comment section below. I've been trying to get some different angles and some different vantage points so y'all can see how I'm doing these styles, and make sure y'all getting all of these looks done proper, because practice makes perfect. And you know what makes practice perfect? When you practice even more. So keep it going. Keep working hard, and I hope these videos help you out, because I love doing these videos for you guys, and I love braiding hair. It's so fun, especially this thick hair. It makes my fingers strong. Alright, we done. And right now I'm about to take some of this compact foaming solution, spread it out through the hair, make sure we lay them flyaways down, and we get things popping. I grabbed the gel and I grabbed some of that paper do-rag, because you know we got the sponsorship by the paper do-rag company, and we coming through and we wrapping this thing up like a mummy. We gonna make sure this thing coming out pure. You already know what we doing with the tea kettle too. We dipping them, giving them that flavor, baby. That good old Southern style flavor. Even though we on the west side, sometimes it's okay to have a little bit of Southern hospitality in there. And here we have it, guys, the finished look. This is a tribal braid tutorial on 4B hair. It's super thick, but when the style is done, baby, trust and believe it's done. And she feeling like the one too. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, I just want to take this last moment to have some appreciation for this style, man. Sometimes I just be looking at my work and I be like, man, like, whew, I'm about to pass out. Like, look at this. Look at this style. Hey, I want to thank y'all too for always tuning in and supporting this channel. Without you guys, we wouldn't be able to do the type of stuff that we do on this channel. All right, we're going to clock out because the work is done. We clocking out. There's no point. We out of here, baby. Catch you on the next tutorial, and trust me, we're gonna make it through this corona storm. Hey, stay safe, baby. Stay inside and don't let people touch you or cough on you, because it's wild nasty out here. Catch you on the next one. Peace. Hey, what you mean you don't know DOPEaxxPANA? She's dope. Boom, boom, boom. What you mean? What you mean? Boom, boom. What you mean? What you mean? Boom, boom. Hey, we out of here. Subscribe, click them links up there, them 2 videos.